Are you tired of your camping trips being cut short by the cold? What if you could stay toasty warm even when the temperature drops? Today, I am diving into the world of heated camping chairs. I've spent weeks testing out the most popular options on the market, and I'm here to give you the real scoop on which ones are worth your money. I'll count down from my number 5 pick all the way to the absolute best heated camping chair you can buy right now.
5. Sunnyfeel Heated Camping Director's Chair. Now, when I first got this chair, I was pretty optimistic. The director's chair style is a classic for a reason. It's typically sturdy and gives you a nice upright seating position. And this one comes with a handy side table, which is a feature I always appreciate. I mean, who doesn't love having a dedicated spot for their drink and phone, right? The setup is also incredibly simple. You just unfold it, lock the side table in place, and you're good to go. The heating element is powered by a USB battery pack, which is pretty standard for these types of chairs. It has heating zones in the seat and back, which is definitely what you want for maximum warmth. On a cool evening, I powered it on and, it did an okay job. It takes the edge off the cold, but it wasn't the toasty warm experience I was hoping for. The heat is there, but it's more of a mild warmth than a powerful blast. I found myself wishing for a bit more intensity, especially on a genuinely cold night. Comfort-wise, it's a mixed bag. The chair is advertised as oversized, and it does have a decent amount of space. The armrests are padded, which is a nice touch, and the fabric feels durable enough for regular outdoor use. However, the upright posture of a director's chair isn't for everyone. After sitting in it for a couple of hours while fishing, I started to feel a bit stiff. 4. Lilypelle Oversized Heated Camping and Patio Lounge Chairs. This one has that big, round moon saucer design, which I know a lot of people love because you can really curl up in them. When I first sat down, I thought, okay, this is comfortable. It's like getting a big hug from your chair. It's incredibly spacious and padded, and it feels like a legitimate piece of lounge furniture you could have on your patio or even indoors. The heating system is similar to the Sunnyfeel, with 3 heat levels powered by a USB battery pack. The heating pads are in the seat and lower back, and I have to say, the heat distribution is pretty good. On the highest setting, it gets nice and warm, and it definitely makes a difference on a chilly evening. I spent an evening stargazing in this chair, and the heat combined with the cozy design was a really pleasant experience. It's the kind of chair that makes you just want to sit back with a hot chocolate and relax for hours. However, and this is a big however, the design that makes it so comfortable also presents some challenges. First off, getting in and out of it isn't the most graceful experience. Because it's a low-slung saucer-style chair, you kind of have to fall into it and then hoist yourself out. If you have any knee or back issues, this could be a real problem. 3. Timber Ridge Heavy-Duty Aluminum Heated Camping Chair. Timber Ridge has a reputation for making high-quality outdoor gear, and this chair is no exception. The first thing I noticed when I unboxed it was the build quality. The aluminum frame feels both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, a combination that's hard to get right. It's a director's chair style, similar to the Sunnyfeel, but it just feels more premium in every way. The heating system is where this chair really starts to shine. It features 2 integrated heating pads in the seat and back, and it even comes with its own 20,000 mAh power bank, which is a huge plus. You don't have to worry about buying a separate battery. The heat is impressive. It warms up almost instantly, and the high setting of 131 degrees Fahrenheit is no joke. It feels just like the heated seats in a luxury car, providing a deep, penetrating warmth that's perfect for cutting through the cold. In terms of comfort, this chair is a significant step up from the Sunnyfeel. The seat is roomy, the backrest is supportive, and the padded armrests are at a perfect height. The chair's height is also a notable feature. It's a bit taller than many camping chairs, which makes getting in and out of it much easier, especially for older folks or anyone with mobility issues. It strikes a great balance between a comfortable lounging position and a supportive upright posture. One of the standout features of this chair is its patented folding mechanism. Number 2, Portal Heated Camping Chairs. This chair is an absolute beast when it comes to comfort and warmth. It's an oversized, high-back quad-style chair, and from the moment I sat in it, I was in heaven. The high back provides excellent head and neck support, which is a feature I desperately miss in most camping chairs. The entire chair is fully padded, and the fabric is soft yet durable, making it incredibly comfortable for long periods of sitting. The heating system in this chair is fantastic. It has heating elements in both the seat and the back, providing warmth all around. With 3 heat settings, you can easily dial in your perfect temperature, from a gentle warmth to a serious blast of heat. I tested this chair on a particularly cold, damp evening, and it was a lifesaver. The heat combined with the chair's cozy, encompassing design kept me completely comfortable even as the temperature dropped. One of the things I love about this chair is its heavy-duty construction. It has a sturdy steel frame and durable Oxford fabric that can support up to 400 pounds. It feels incredibly stable and well-built, so you never feel like you have to be delicate with it. Despite its robust build, it's surprisingly easy to fold up and pack into its included carry bag. It's not the lightest chair on this list, but for the level of comfort and durability it offers, the weight is more than acceptable. 1. Nice C Heated Camping Chair with Battery. This chair takes everything I love about the other chairs on this list and combines them into one perfect package. It is, without a doubt, the most comfortable, convenient, and effective heated camping chair I have ever tested. First, let's talk about comfort. This chair is extra wide and features thick padding throughout the seat and back. It's incredibly plush and supportive, and the oversized design gives you plenty of room to shift around and get comfortable. Nice C also offers a version with a footrest, which takes the relaxation to a whole new level. After a long day of hiking, kicking back in this chair with my feet up was pure bliss. It's like bringing your favorite recliner to the campsite. The heating performance is top-notch. Like the Timber Ridge, this chair comes with its own 20,000 mAh power bank, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The heating elements provide consistent and powerful warmth, and the multiple heat settings allow you to customize your experience. The chair heats up quickly and provides long-lasting warmth even on the coldest nights. The combination of the thick padding and the powerful heating system creates a cocoon of warmth that is simply unmatched. What sets the Nice C chair apart is its focus on convenience. It's designed to be portable and easy to use. Despite its oversized design and thick padding, it folds down compactly and fits into a convenient carry bag, making it easy to transport and store. Final thought.
That's all for today, folks.